Hi, I'm Chloe, and this is...
Hi, my name is Romano.
And we're both the founders of iGreenBox. We started iGreenBox on our couch, actually. We were just talking one evening, and we thought, what a pity and what a hassle it is to actually having to order on so many websites all the eco-friendly products that we need for our house. And then we came up with the idea of having a box delivered to your doorstep with all the products at once. That would make your life easier and ours, and it would encourage our family and friends to be more eco-friendly. That's how we started, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So the way we started the box was that we first had to test all the products we wanted to put in the box. So for about a year and a year and a half,
at least,
we tried so many different products because it had to be like a good fit for us and a good fit for other people too. But the important thing was also for us to use local products and products that were made with natural products, no chemicals. So the idea with iGreenBox was that it was going to be a box for all people. Anyone could use, regardless of their gender, their living situation, how many people they're in a house, whether they have a dishwasher or not, you know. So it's a box that's customized and a box that contains all the basic products that you would buy anyways. The iGreenBox is 50% cheaper, and that is why we thought like this would be a worthwhile concept, because we thought it's difficult nowadays to think about how we can become more eco-friendly, because first of all, there's so many products on the market. There's thousands of websites, thousands of stores that are trying new things, but it's really hard to tell what is good, what is not, what is fake.
Yeah, but also like the criteria we found very important to have. So that was also very high on our list.
Yeah, so it had to be local, chemical-free, plastic-free. That was a big one. We wanted to have as little as packaging as possible. This is the multi-purpose cleaner that's in the box. It's really nice because with this product you can save using at least another 6 different products. The sponges are made from leftover foam. Moving on to some more bathroom products. The toothpaste is solid and it comes in a jar like this. To brush your teeth, you would be using the bamboo brush. We also have cotton buds made out of bamboo. The body bars are, they come in many different scents. They come in solid, so with very little packaging. Same types of shampoo bars, and they're really cool because they're very foamy. We have these deodorants, so they come in little tin cans. We have 2 types, and they're both vegan and made out of natural products. Then we have for both kitchen and your bathroom garbage bins, but also other bins in your home, those garbage bags that are made out of 80% plants and 20% fossils. You think they're plastic because when you look at them it looks like plastic, but it's not, it's plant-based, so that's the trick. Then we use some soaps. So we have this one that we call the kitchen soap. These ones are the same as soap, so it's Marseille soaps. This is like an authentic soap from France. We have this eco laundry egg, the eco egg, and this comes with 4 bags of pellets, because you need to refill the egg with them. You can use it for at least 6 months with these pellets, and then you would just have to get some refills that you would just put in the egg again. Then we have the Dishwasher Tabs. So they'll come in your box without any packaging. That's it. You have 2 ways that you can order an iGreenBox. The first one is through our website, igreenbox.nl. And just keep in mind, we only ship to the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, and France. And on the website, you can order a box for 2 people or 4 people, because this is how we started the concept. For now, we just have those 2 types on the website, but they're very like customized. If you don't have a dishwasher, you can select, no dishwasher tabs. You can also choose the scent of your laundry, Eco Egg. You can say that, for example, if you want to keep using your electric toothbrush, I know a lot of people still do use that nowadays, you can also say that you don't want a bamboo toothbrush. Then you can pay with a credit card. You have different payment options, and then we deliver your box to your doorstep. Usually we deliver ourselves if it's in a radius of like 5 kilometers. But if it's farther away, then we use a shipping company, and then you would receive via email a tracking code, so you can track your package, and usually you would get it between 1 and 4 days. We try to test the products to know how long it's going to take in your own home to use them, and with all the products we calculated we have a lifespan of at least 2 months, and that was the whole concept at the beginning, that you order an iGreenBox and it serves you for at least 2 months, so that it's sustainable as well. iGreenBox is a local startup, it's a local company, and we want to keep it that way. I don't think it would match our concept if we were to expand all around the world. I think it's really important to work with local companies here. The idea also behind this concept is to constantly improve it. So we do research on the products on a weekly basis. We try and test products still to this day.
Yeah, we really want something that we can, we feel good with as well. If we try things, it should really be better than the one we have already. And if we're not happy with it, we need to keep looking for something else.
We like to give some little small gifts.
Yeah, small surprises. It's
yes,
it's
and
also
keep it
fun.
exciting.
Yeah.